friends, welcome to Damo Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we are going to discuss our second question. A toy is made up of in the form of hemisphere surmounted by a right cone whose circular base is joined with the plane surface of the hemisphere. So this base is joined with hemisphere. The radius of the base of cone is 7.7 centimeter. So from here to here, what is this? 7 centimeter. So radius will be this one. So let's take it this one as it is here. So this is the radius that will be equal to 7 centimeters. Then what is the next one? So next one is, and its volume is 3 by 2 of the hemisphere. Calculate the height of the cone and the surface area of the toy correct to two places of decimals. That will be equal to pi is equals to 3 1 by 7. So actually see it is 3 sevens are 21. Let's take it this one. So 21 then plus 2 22 by 7. So we will take that as mixed fraction only. So this one, what they are asking here is height of the cone they are asking. So height of the cone is nothing but, so this is the height from this point to this point. This is the height of the cone. So this is the lateral surface area. So this is L. So from this point, let's take this is ABC. Let's take these points. ABC is a right angle, triangle. Then AC is the lateral height. You can say lateral length. So let's going to take what is there given here is volume of cone will be equal to 3 by 2 of volume of the sphere. So volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere. So these conditions, based on this condition, we need to move on to the question. So first what they are given. Radius of the cone that will be equal to 7 centimeter and radius of hemisphere also is equal to 7 centimeter. So as we know, we don't know what is the height, but we know that what is the volume. Let's move on to this. Volume of the cone is equal to, volume of cone will be equal to, that is 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. So what 1/3 of volume of the cylinder. So 1/3 volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. So how it is there here is, let's going to take this is the cylinder, this is the volume. So area of the circle is pi r square and it is extended up to how much h. So for that it is like that. Then volume of hemisphere. So volume of hemisphere will be equal to, what is that? So volume of the sphere will be 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube, in that will be off. So 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by 1 by 2. So it will going to reciprocate and 1 by 2. 2 ones are, then 2 twos are. So what is the volume of hemisphere? So volume of hemisphere will be equal to, let's take is 2 by 3 pi r cube. So as we know from this condition, let's going to move on to this. From this condition, volume of cone, that is 1 by 3 pi r square h will be equal to 3 by 2 into volume of hemisphere, that is 2 by 3 pi r cube. See how they are given 3 by 2 and 2. This will be going to cancel. That implies what you can say 1 by 3 pi r square h will be equal to pi r cube. So here pi will going to cancel. Let's going to cancel pi and here radius is same. So for that what you can say here, so 1 by 3 h will be equal to 1 by 3 h will be equal to r cube by r square. So r square and r square, then r will be the remain. So h will be equal to, so what you can say, that implies 1 by h will be equal to 1 by 3 h will be equal to r, then h will be equal to 3r, then h will be equal to 3 into r is what? 7, that is 21 centimeter. So height of the cylinder, so height of the cone will be equal to 21 centimeters. So as we know, we are calculated that 21 centimeter. Based on this, we are calculated. Next one. So what is the condition? What we have to find it here. So what is the surface area of the cone? So surface area of the cone is, surface area of cone will be equal to, what is that? Pi r l. So we don't know what is the slant height. So this one we have to find it. So this one we have to find it. From this, what you can say, from this right angle triangle. So L here, radius is there, here height is there. So hypotenuse square, that is L square will be equal to sum of the remaining squares of the remaining two sides. So based on this we are taking here for the cone. So surface area means we need to find it this one. Let's find out what is this here. So let's going to take here, this is h, here r, l. So L square will be equal to R square plus H square, or we know that 7 square, H we know that 21 square. So 21 square, 7 square is 49, 21 square is what? So 21 square is nothing but 441. So 441, that is L square. Then L will be equal to square root of, let's going to add it here. So 441 plus 49, we will get it as 490. So 490. 490, then square root of 490 is nothing but 490 is nothing but 22.13. So what is that we are getting here is, let's going to keep it this value as it is. So L will be equal to, keep it as it is, or you can take it as L will be equal to 7 into, so what is that, 7 into 7, 49 into 10, you can take it here. So let's move on to this, that is 7 square, square root and square root of 10. So square root will going to cancel, L will be equal to, what is that, 7 into root 10, 7 into root 10. So let's going to keep it that value here as it is. Then surface area of the cone will be equal to, what is that, surface area. So A of cone, let's going to take it is in the format of AC, 22 by 7. Actually they are given 3, 1 by 7. We need to find it. 22 by 7, R will be equal to 7 into L will be equal to 7 root 10. So this is the radius, 7 will going to cancel. 22 into 7 is nothing but what? 22 into 7 is 154. So 154 into root 10. So root 10 value is what? We need to find the, what is the root 10 value? So square root of 10, 3.16. So 154 into 3.16. That will be into 154 is nothing but 486.99. 486.99. What is this? Centimeter square. You can take 487 approximately. You can take it as 487 centimeter square. So this is the area of the surface area of the cone. Next, what we have to find it? So we need to find the surface area of the hemisphere. So surface area of the hemisphere is surface area of hemisphere. So what is that here is hemisphere, we need to know this is the half of the, what is that, surface area of sphere, that is 4 pi r square by 2. 4 pi r square is the surface area of the sphere. 2 ones are, then 2 twos are, then 2 pi r square. So as we know, 2 into pi value as they told here 3 1 by 7. Let's going to take 3 1 by 7 as it is. If you take it as also, it is nothing to worry. So 3 1 by 7, 22 by 7. Let's going to take again, R will be equal to 7 square. That will be equal to 44 by 7 into 7 into 7. So 7 will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it? So what is the value? 44 into 7. What is that? So 44 into 7 is nothing but 308. That is 308 centimeter square. So this is the value what they are asked. Finally, calculate the height and surface area of the toy. So we need to find the surface area of the toy is nothing but, therefore finally we need to add both the values. Therefore surface, let's going to take surface area of the hemisphere is AH here. So surface area of the toy will be equal to surface area of the cone plus surface area of the hemisphere. So that is 487 plus 308. So 487 plus 308. 487. 308. 795 centimeter square. So this is the value. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends.